Today's Saturday, April 4th. Coming up to remove the tarp from the boat. Do a quick inspection before we do it. Looks like the new frame and the tarp survived the winter. At least here on the port side. Looks good. No holes, no rips. Sweet. Must be all about the frame, right? Yep. A bit of a windy day. Just took the small piece off, tarp off the back. Well, the frame held up, right? No cracks, no breaks. Well, we got the rail down, tarp off, boom back in place. They bent one of our stanchions when they pulled the boat out of the water. Not sure how they did it. Maybe the sling was up against it. So I got to take that off and bring it to work and get it straightened out. But hopefully by the 1st of May it'll be warm enough to paint and get this baby back in the water.